Shenzhen Ximalong Technology Company Limited is an innovating company focuses on the research, production, and sales of electric toothbrushes, personal care electronic products, and toothpaste, mouthwash, and other products. The products have our own patents and have successively obtained certifications, including FCC, CE, RoHS, FDA, while keeping enriching the product line to lead the industry. We take steps to expand our business to related areas and strive to achieve our strategic goal.